Let's turn off automatic software updates on your iPhone. Now, if it's annoying that your iPhone automatically downloads the latest iOS software update and installs it without really asking you, maybe you wake up in the morning and it's downloaded and installed the new version, you can always turn that off so that you can only manually update your phone. So to do that, let's hop into our settings and we will tap on General. From there, we will tap on Software Update, the second option. And you can see at the top, automatic updates are turned on. So I can tap on that and I can just toggle off Download iOS Updates. It will automatically toggle off Install the iOS updates. And then you give the option to security responses and system files. These are really kind of like emergency patches for any kind of hacks that the Apple team has found. So you can turn that off if you want, but I recommend leaving this on. This won't change any of the features or settings on your iPhone, but it'll patch any big security issues that they come up with. So you can always choose, if you don't want to install the new updates, you can choose to just download them automatically but not install them, or you can turn both of them off if you would prefer. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.